Hello everyone. Happy November 14th. Today we celebrate pickle appreciation, diabetes awareness, and the joy of mindful choices. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Pickle Day, a tangy tribute to crunchy, briny goodness. A great gift could be a pickle sampler box, a DIY pickling kit, or a pickle pun t-shirt. Dill or sweet? Let's crunch into the comments. Next, it's World Diabetes Day, raising awareness and support for those managing diabetes. A thoughtful gift could be a healthy snack box, a fitness tracker, or a donation to a diabetes foundation. Know someone living with diabetes? Let's support them in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Spicy Guacamole Day, a zesty celebration of creamy, fiery flavor. A sweet gift could be a guac-making kit, a chili pepper spoon rest, or a tortilla chip bowl. How spicy do you like it? Let's mash up the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 11th to 15th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.